Today we have a video from Lens of Law, and the title of the video is Mother-Daughter Shoplifting Duo Gets Instant Karma.
Okay. Put your hands on your back, both of them.
What is this? That's a device. Yeah.
On March 6th, 2024, in Muskego, Wisconsin, Officer Fregoso was dispatched to a Kohl's retail store after employees reported previous theft suspects, Edna and her daughter, Precious, having reappearing and behaving suspiciously.
Precious. Look how clear that camera footage is, boy. Woo! Precious like the movie.
At one point, employees observed Edna returning a brown purse, which they believed to be full of tags removed from the items she intended to steal. Later, Edna left the store with a shopping cart of those stolen items, while Officer Fregoso waited outside.
You see how clear this footage is? And that's Kohl's. Imagine Target and Walmart.
Hey, come here. Come here. Drop your bag. Drop your bag.
Okay.
Drop your bag.
Okay.
What's your name? Open your hands. Drop that. What's your name?
Edna.
Don't be reaching in your pockets.
Okay.
What's your name?
Edna.
Edna? Okay, I'm Officer Fregoso with Muskego, okay? We got called about suspicious activity, possibly a retail theft going on.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name again?
Edna.
Okay, do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't.
You don't have an ID on you at
No, I
all?
Of course you don't.
All right. What do you have in your pockets? Do you have any weapons or anything
no.
like that?
Let's talk to
No?
her
Back here. Come on. Just keep your hands in your pockets, okay?
Okay.
Is this your car right here, the silver Tahoe?
No.
No?
No.
What car were you going towards?
Huh?
What car were you going
I
towards?
was just going to keep walking.
You were just going to keep walking?
Yeah.
How did she come in?
What car did you come in here with?
I didn't come in the car.
How'd you get here?
I got dropped off.
By who?
Huh?
By who?
By my friend.
By your friend?
We'll wait for Aaron.
Yeah.
How do you spell your first name?
EDNA.
You guys okay? Yeah.
Put your hands behind your back. You don't have any needles on you, do you?
No.
Do you do?
No.
You sure? Okay. If I get stuck, I'm gonna be pissed.
No.
You don't got no needles on you?
No. I wouldn't lie to you, officer.
Okay. Right now you're being detained, okay?
Okay.
For our investigation.
Okay.
Did you conceal anything on you?
No.
Okay. Just sit tight, okay?
Yeah.
This is your name?
Yes, it is.
Okay. If you're lying to me and give me a fake name, you know that's a charge?
Yeah, I'm not lying, officer.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license?
No, I don't.
Have you ever had a driver's license?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So if I pull you up, then I should show a picture
Yeah,
of you and
of
it's
course,
you?
of course.
Okay. Sit tight.
Okay.
Eddie, you want to grab the bag and that earring?
Yeah.
And we're actually going to walk up around the passenger side just because this lady's going to leave and I don't want to be standing on that side of the car.
Okay.
Oops, sorry. So you didn't come in this SUV?
No. I don't even know whose SUV that
Okay. So it sounds like from the Kohl's staff that they said you came out of this car.
is. No, I didn't.
Is the video going to show us? Obviously, they got video cameras on the outside of the buildings, inside the building.
No, I didn't.
Okay.
I walked through the, you know, past it.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You can throw her in the back if you want for now.
Do you have your gloves?
Yeah.
Just do a quick search. And for case you can do a more thorough.
So the daughter must still be in there
Okay,
then.
look. Right now you're under arrest for retail theft, okay? We have information from the store from inside. They watched you push your cart out of the store for all those items without making an attempt to pay for any of them. Okay? I'm not asking any questions right now, but I'm telling you that's why you're under arrest. I'm going to search you. Do you have anything that's going to stick me, poke me, needles, knives, nothing like that?
No,
You
no.
sure?
Positive.
Okay, spread your feet for me. I'm going to unzip you. Raise your arms for me.
Bingo. Remove device.
That's a security device.
Yeah.
I'm guessing the white shirt, Nike shirt on, is an item from inside the store.
It's old. This is old.
Well,
Do you have pockets at all?
looks kind of new.
No, it's old.
You don't have pockets, do you?
No. It's old, very old.
Do you have the other earring on?
Yeah.
Go and step in. I gotta get. They set this one up kind of goofy.
Meanwhile, Officer Cortese waited for Precious to exit the store as well.
Is her real name Precious, or are they making jokes? She thinks she good. Done. Cooked.
She walked past the point of sale.
Just cover.
Okay. Put your hands on your back. Both of them. Can you help me here?
Yep. It's two.
Yeah, I'll grab a second.
Dang, Precious need two. Dang.
Alright, what's your first name?
Precious.
Alright, we're gonna go over to my car.
Oh, that is her real name.
No,
Okay.
come on over here.
Oh, I was just asking about my purse. Is it gonna stay with me?
Is it got actual stuff in it, or is it all
Everything
stolen?
in my purse is my stuff.
Well, we gotta figure out which purse is your purse. We'll get it all sorted out.
Get in your car and let's just drive over there.
Okay.
And I'll meet you back once I'm here.
Alright, watch your step here. Let me turn my dash cam on actually, and then I'll do a search. Do you have anything on you that's gonna poke me and harm me in any way, shape, or form?
No.
Okay. Yeah.
Who thinks, hey, I'm bored today, let me just go steal? Can't make this stuff up. Mother-daughter duo too, huh?
All right.
That's how you guys bond.
Yeah.
Bonding over stealing stuff. Okay.
Get in. Unlock my car. All the way.
Well, copy at 27. Class of Camarino. C-A-M-A-R.
Yeah.
Everyone's speakers on. It's not gonna matter.
Right. And well,
She had a security detaching device in on her possession.
Oh.
And then she had some type of credit card with information on it.
Credit card.
Cash App card.
I didn't get a good look at it.
Cash App card.
I was just gonna make sure Eddie's fine.
We did a quick search of her, just so we could get her in the car.
Yep.
Because all of a sudden I thought I saw hands go up in the air, and I thought I was coming over to help
She
you
loaded
guys.
this purse too.
Unbelievable.
where can we check out? So if we can divide and conquer, if I can go with one person, he go with another, and we can just.
That was quite hard.
Yeah, would somebody else be able to? Okay. Because she like put her belts out, and it's all in the purse.
Yeah, we can.
I've got a bag with
actually she pulled off of the stuff.
She had a device on her. We got it. Okay. It was a big metal silver puck thing that had like a star shape. You probably know better than I.
I'll just lay all this out, and you come back and photo it.
Yeah.
So if you saw
Edna and Precious were then transported and booked into the Waukesha County Jail. Edna was found guilty in court on the charge of retail theft of property between $500 and $5,000. She was sentenced to 4 months in the local jail. Precious was found guilty of retail theft of property below $500 and was sentenced instead to spend 90 days in jail with a year of probation. Both Edna and Precious combined had to pay almost $1,600 in fines. Please consider showing your support by liking.
At least they got some sort of jail time. That's good. Okay. I see, one got 4. Honestly, it's the same crime. So I feel both should have gotten equally the same punishment, but maybe one has a history and one doesn't. That's why it varied off a little bit. But 4 months flat, that's not bad versus 90 days and a year of probation. That probation is what's going to get you caught up in the revolving cycle, because most people, they can't handle probation or parole or anything like that. So they'll just get caught in the revolving door or whatever. So, 4 months and that's it. Then, that's not bad, I guess, but what a way to bond with your mother, huh? Hey, Mom, what do you want to do today? Oh, let's go steal something. Oh, well, I'll be busy. I'm busy in the morning, but let's make it around 2 o'clock. Okay, I'll meet you there. You can't make this shit up. Anyways, I'm going to get officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think they did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.